Hello riders, this is Chinmay from Make Auto Clinic Pune. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you or going to tell you how to remove clutch grip. Basically, there are so many bikes, so many types of grips which we use or company gives. Just in case this is gone or something, and if you want to replace the sleeve, some of the mechanics use some harsh kind of a technique to remove the sleeve, which may or which damages a lot of other things. For example, I have seen some of the mechanics while working on the clutch grip. It's a very normal thing which you have to remove. If it is glued, I do understand you either have to cut the sleeve or you might have to use some hot air gun or something to remove the sleeve since it is glued. But generally, some of the sleeves are like that only, which grips on the or which sticks to the handle very tight way. Now you have to remove this sleeve. As you can see, I have already removed the clutch, the switch console from the bike. I need some gap. The stress basically, when you use some, as I said, harsh kind of a technique, the stress basically comes on this dome or the crown plate. Now this is bullet. So bullet is basically having dome which is made in alloy, aluminum alloy, which may get damaged because of the stress. Now what stress? The stress I'm talking about this. Some mechanics, they use hammer and they use one spanner. Now here you are also damaging spanner. So what they do, they generally hammer it up like this way. If you hammer, so the stress is basically transferring to those 2 points. The handle is basically connected to the dome. As I said, this is aluminum alloy. The dome might get cracked. So you have to avoid the damage. Simple thing is that you have to change the sleeve. Sleeve is costing not more than 50 or 100 rupees. For that, are you willing to damage your dome or handle? No, absolutely no. So what is the trick? Very simple. Air. Big question? Right, I do understand now. How air is going to help me out to remove the sleeve? You need to have high compressed air. Normal air, which I have already filled up in my compressor. Normal air. Just check out. That's it. Very simple trick. I didn't use hammer. I didn't use any other kind of a trick which might damage my dome or handle or bike or cone set or whatever the space. Because you never know what will get damaged. You just hammer it up and you remove. The satisfaction is what? You have removed the sleeve and now you are changing the sleeve. If the sleeve is glued, as I said, you might have to cut it or you might have to use first hot air gun and then you can use pneumatic or high compressed air. But in this case, it was not glued. Because of the rust and because of the dust and because of the rubber itself, it basically sticks to the handle. See, while going inside, while inserting the sleeve on the handle, there is no problem at all. It will go because it's a new sleeve. When you use it over the period, because of the temperature or you can say weather, the grip basically sticks on the handle. Again, I will show you. Compressed air. That's it. 1 second job. No need to use hammer or any other technique. Otherwise, you will damage a lot of things. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.